Okay. In this video, I want to try to show you, let's say I have 5,000. I think 5,000 naira is roughly, yeah, I think it's roughly this amount. Okay. Now, let's say you have 5,000 naira and you want to be able to be making, let's say 8,000 naira. Okay, 8,000 naira every day. This is how you can run it from trading accumulator. Now I'm going to wait for signal, just two. When the signals are available, I'm going to enter. But while that one is on, let me quickly show you. Now this is a robot. Okay, this is a bot that is also trading the same stuff. Okay, it's trading the same thing, step by step. This one is a mobile version. Okay, it runs on the background. It doesn't need to, it's connected to my website robot, so it works in the background. I don't need to be on it, so I can easily come here and be waiting for my signal to execute my trade. So I'm going to wait for the signal. Once it's up, I'm going to do just two trades so that you can get to see. I don't know if I've had positions today. Okay, this is 11, today is 12. Okay, I've not done any trade today. Okay, you're gonna see, I just want to do two trades to show an example of how to hit your targets. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for signal and I'll be back. Okay, I'm waiting for an entry. Okay, I didn't have my entry. There was a okay, I just placed a trade. Actually, I got carried away. I was even watching movies. I was watching hard match, you can see. I got carried away. And also you can see the bot that started trading. Okay, you can see it here. It has started trading. It has started checking for signal for the day. So I've done one trade. I'm still going to wait and look for one order. Actually, I'm working with signal from my system. Okay, I'm working with a signal from my system, so that's why I'm not looking at this chart. I'm not using this one to trade. I'm working with the signal from my system, so I'm going to wait for one more. This one, the first one gave me 10%. I need you to understand. So I only need to do two trades to use so that I will be able to use 5,000 naira to make 1,000 naira. Do you get the logic now? So the plan is to use 5,000 naira to make 1,000 naira. Okay, so one more trade and that will be all. Okay, I'll just place a second trade. And you can see I've won my two trades. Mind you, while I was doing this trade, I was watching the movie. So I've done two trades and I've made, this is 0. Let's say 76 cents. That's roughly 1,000 naira. Okay, from 5,000, you make 1,000. From 5,000, you make 1,000. Okay, you may not understand. Okay, let's talk layman's language. And guess what? I was doing all this with plenty distraction. Okay, because the signal is coming from another system. Okay, so let's say 3.33 times, no, buying is 1,480. Let's say 1.5, right? Okay, so if you have 1.5 like this, that's roughly like 5,000. Okay, 5,000. Then now imagine you had this times 20%. because that's just what I just made, roughly this amount. So it's just 1,000 naira. How long? It's not up to an hour. It's like 40 minutes. Okay, it's like 40 minutes. Meanwhile, my robot is still. This is the movie I'm watching. See, my robot is still trading. Okay, it's still going on trading. So it's going to be looking for signal as well. Then it's going to execute the trade. So I've done 2 trades. Okay, you can see these are 2 trades today. So I've done 2 trades. So that's how you can get to do it small, small. You first start with small amounts. Then you can now scale, go to big one. And once you've mastered the whole thing, you now scale and move to the next one. Although I do have signal service that provide these signals where you can trade with them. Okay, you see the signal, you'll be able to press enter immediately when you see the signal. So God bless you. See you in another video.